back to English Lumia. Today we'll do negative and interrogative or past continuous tense. Negative sentences. To make a negative sentence, we use subject plus was or were with not with verb's first form and ing. Examples: I was not reading a book. She was not playing in the garden. They were not watching television. Interrogative sentences. To ask questions, we use was, were plus subject with verb's first form and ing with a question mark. Examples: was she singing a song? Were they playing football? Was he sleeping? Let's have a quick comparison. Affirmative sentence: she was reading a book. Negative sentence: she was not reading a book. Interrogative sentence: was she reading a book? Practice time. Now make affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences with the given words. She plays guitar. This is it for today. Keep going and growing.